Here in Hawaii, rain is simply a part of everyday life, and if you ask one of the locals, they're sure to tell you that rain on an old tin roof is a reminder of home. It was under a certain tin roof garage where food became a definition of home and love for one young chef. Today, working with farmers, fishermen, and ranchers to create honest all-no food, Chef Sheldon is taking his tin roof love and spreading it about. Upon arrival at Tin Roof, it's obvious, word gets around. The crowds here are an everyday occurrence, and the menu is essentially a history lesson in Pacific Island culture. Chef Sheldon's pride in honoring tradition is evident.
Yeah, and we're going back old school, Hawaii is this group of islands in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, About 100 years ago, we're almost 100% self-sustainable, and everything had to come from your backyard or from your neighbor, and that's kind of the whole mentality here. We take care of our community, and it comes full circle.
It really does. What are you going to be preparing today for us?
Today we're going to showcase some local caught ahi that we're going to pan roast, and then we've got some cool ingredients that I want to show you. Like, we're going to make some roasted breadfruit here. This is cut up, and then we steamed it a little just to get it cooked through. This is the taro leaf. You're gonna take these and it's gonna get boiled down in coconut milk, and it's gonna be nice and savory.
What is that there?
That is a little bit of a shiofuki kombu, which is dried seaweed that's been flavored.
Oh wow, that smells amazing.
Yeah, you'll see the Japanese influence. We'll be using a little bit of sesame oil, the Korean influence in Hawaii. I'm Filipino, so you'll see a little bit tasting of that. And like I said, that's how Hawaii cuisine came to be, is all these different cultures seamlessly coming together to make this food that we see here now.
So to begin, the taro leaves have been stewing in coconut milk for 10 hours. With that ready, chefs seared the ahi, then fried up some garlic, ginger, onions, and soy sauce to top it off. The next step was the counter to mix it all together.
So we've got the fish, we've got the taro leaves, the luau stew, a little bit of the breadfruits, and then we're gonna make this salad. And very simple. These are the fiddlehead ferns from Haiku. I'm gonna take a little bit of local tomatoes, some sweet kula onions, a little bit of that umami bomb of the shio kombu, a touch of dried shrimp, and then a little bit of just some lemon olive oil. So on the bottom here is that stew.
That looks good enough to eat by itself.
Oh, definitely. A couple pieces of that. Then we'll take some of that breadfruit, season that up with some sea salt that's been smoked with guava wood. A beautiful pohole salad right on the side of it. And then topped off with some roasted kukui nuts. All right, Didi, so there you have it. A little pan-roasted ahi on top of luau leaf stew. A little taste of the islands.